Are you okay? Stand on it. Connor, stand on it, honey.
Nope.
Stand on it. Connor, you're supposed to stand on it. Stand on it.
Nope.
Why?
I do this.
Are you scared? Here, I won't spin it hard. Just stand on it and I'll spin it slowly. Okay? I'll spin it slow.
I do it.
Okay, you do it. You gotta sit down on it first. There you go.
No.
No, I'll do it slowly.
Okay.
You all done?
No.
Connor, get on it, honey. Connor.